stop here. So you guys seem to have really liked the just the reaction part, so I'm just going to take out the mukbang and just keep it at reactions, okay? And I find that doing these reactions are actually a little bit more easier because you're not trying to always find something to eat at the current moment in time. But alongside that, today's reaction video is for The Rose, which I never really thought too much of. And I meant to do a reaction to their first song, but I never got around to doing it. So, today we're going to do The Rose, She's in the Rain. And let's hope this is a good music video, because I didn't really check them out like I should have last time, but I heard they're really, really good and extremely underrated. So, we'll see. Let's watch this. 1, 2, 3, go. That's definitely rain.
Do you hear me? 회색빛 안개 덮인 gloomy day. 눈앞이 가려진 게 두려워. 이젠 아무것도 흥미가 안 나. No, do you hear me? 거리를 걷다 보니 different way. 뒤돌아보니 아무도 없네. 내가 쫓던 꿈들이 날 따라와. No, yeah. I'm dying inside. I wanna think that it's a lie. Why? 소리쳐 외쳐봐도 대답이 없네. 쏟아지는 외로움 in the rain. She's in the rain. 아름다웠던 날 그려보며 흘러가버린 시간이 멈춰. 이제 눈을 뜨기조차 버거워. No, she's in the rain.
Very emotional song. Very.
Do you hear me? 아파도 아픈 티 안 내는 너. 끝이 보이는 게 너무 두려워. 너의 눈엔 이미 생기가 없어. No, she's dying inside. She wants to think that it's a lie. Why? 애타게 불러봐도 대답이 없네. 쏟아지는 빗방울 in the rain. She's in the rain. 아름다웠던 날 그려보며 흘러가버린 시간이 멈춰. 이제 눈을 뜨기조차 버거워. No, she's in the rain. 내 기억 속에 너의 흔적이 번져. 빈볼에 흠뻑 젖은 것처럼 갈 곳을 잃은 채 현실에 물들어 얼어붙은 내 눈물 속에. You wanna hurt yourself, I'll stay with you. You wanna make yourself go through the pain. It's better to be held than holding on. No, we're in the rain. 떨어지고 있는 잎 속에서 흩어져버린 널 다시 재워. 아름다웠던 널 볼 수 있게. No,
gonna sound really weird, but this song kind of reminds me of like 2007 emo kid type of music. Like, I can't really explain it. It's like it has that feel to it. It's not like the screamo emo music you would listen to. It was like, oh, I can't think of the artist. Oh my god. It wasn't like a My Chemical Romance, but it was more of like a really soft New Found Glory. That's kind of what The Rose reminds me of. It's like if New Found Glory was not as hard, like if they were kind of more of a soft rock group. That's kind of what this song reminds me of. And I hope I'm not the only one. It was a really good song. That's kind of one of the songs that you listen to whenever you hear it and you're in a bus and it's like raining and you're trying to imagine yourself in a music video. That's what this song reminds me of. And I fucking love it. The Rose is now a K-pop group that I will listen to a lot more. Although I feel like they're more of a K-rock group, but as more of a K-pop. Like, to me, they had more of a rock feel to it. So, but they're not the kind of rock that you would like go to it's not like a heavy metal type of rock. But it is there's definitely some rock elements there. There's definitely good, like, the strong guitar riffs. There's drums. There's some strong rock metal elements there, but they're very in the background. They're not as obvious, like if you would listen to a group like Linkin Park. When you hear Linkin Park, you know that that's a rock group, but a lot of people don't know that that's actually an R&B group too, or a rap group. You can hear elements of rap in the songs, like with their flow, the way they do rap. Mike Shinoda's a rapper. He made a side crew called Fort Minor. I could go on and on and on about The Rose and why I like it and how it's got like all these different types of elements to it, because there is a little bit of a K-pop feel to it, but it's more rock than it is K-pop. And for that, I just really, really love their music, and I just got so musically nerdy on this that I'm actually sad with myself. This was a great song. And the interesting thing about it is you don't really see a lot of this type of interaction between the girl model and the group. Like BAP's Rain Sound. There was a lot of rain element. Yeah, there was a lot of imagery in the song. Yeah, but there wasn't a lot of like an actual girl in the song where they could kind of talk to. And that was also a good concept for me, the way I saw it. And while being in the rain or having emo songs like this isn't new, but having it done like this is different. This is more rock than K-pop. So all in all, I think I'm going to vote for these guys forever, maybe. I don't know. But they are a very, very good group, and I would definitely listen to them more. Anyway, if you guys like this video, if you guys like me getting nerdy about this kind of stuff, you can always comment down below, like this video, and subscribe. Bye!